Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, outputting to Bridge Mobile and hosting a team editing session, internet only, I'm going to show you the new changes in version 10 and how you can output to Bridge Mobile so that your Bridge Mobile viewer clients can see your real-time feed, while at the same time hosting a team editing session for your scopist or scoping team. You can do both at the same time. In this video, we're going to cover how to do so over the internet. The first thing that I need to do is make sure that I'm connected to the Connection Magic server. I see in the top right my green SRV universal indicator, in the bottom right my status bar SRV indicator, in the info bar my SRV connected indicator. So I know for sure I'm already connected. Next, I need to make sure that I'm set up and ready to output not only to Bridge Mobile, but also to share my file with my scopists. First, I'm going to go to my user settings, to the real-time tab, and I'm going to add an output format for Bridge Mobile. For the output format, I'll leave it at Bridge Mobile, and the COM device I'm going to set to Connection Magic. I don't need to make any other changes to any of the other settings. I'll press OK and OK. That's all I need to do in order to output to Bridge Mobile. Now, in order to share my file with my scopist or scoping team, I can press Alt-T or click Translate, choose Real Time, and at the bottom, most importantly, I want to make sure that I have Share Document with Team checked. This will make sure that I'm able to start a session for my team to log into my file and begin making changes. Once I have this set, I'm going to click OK. I'm going to call my file Connection Magic Sample and press OK. I'll choose my starting stroke. And in this window, this is where I can select the settings that I'd like to use first for my Bridge Mobile session. You see that for session type, it specifies Bridge Mobile. I'm going to go ahead and leave Internet and Generate Email Link checked. I'm not going to check LAN settings, since for this example, we're going over the Internet only. I'll cover persistent sessions in a future video. For the document name, I'm going to go ahead and keep the supplied document name that Eclipse has given me. However, if desired, you can always change this. For the password, I'm going to supply a password. And since this is the Bridge Mobile session, this document name and this password are the ones that I'm going to provide to my clients who are using Bridge Mobile Viewer to view my real-time feed. These may be clients such as judges and attorneys, or even students, or community event participants. I'll cover Require ID and Valid IDs in a future video. I'm going to go ahead and let my room set to auto, and I'll leave publicly visible checked so that my clients can find my session easily. I'll press OK. And you see that the session link information has been copied to my clipboard, and I'll be able to email or chat that to my clients. And you see that on the left, my Bridge Mobile session has started and it's in room 3. Next, I have the session settings for my team editing session, and this is going to go to my scopist or scoping team. Again, I'm going to leave the document name the same, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a password. And this password and document name are what I'm going to provide to my scoping team so that they can join my session. I'll leave upload audio checked, and I'll make sure publicly visible is checked and press OK. Now my sessions have both been started, and I can connect to them as a client or as a scopist. First, I'm going to transition to the client view. First, I'll open Bridge Mobile on my client computer. Once I'm in Bridge Mobile, I can go to Connect in the bottom left, select the room that my file was in, which for my Bridge Mobile file was room 3. So I'll expand room 3. And here you see my file listed, BRCM sample. And I'm going to enter the password and connect. And you'll see that immediately, text that has been written in the job begins coming up, and the new text that's being written in the job currently will also come up live. And so you see that the text is now entering into Bridge Mobile. And any client will be able to join your session the same way. And as I showed in the last video, you can always email the session link to your client and they can simply click on that link in the email to join using the web browser. Next, I'm going to transition to my Scopist view and join the session as a team editor. Now I'm on my scoping computer and I can open up Eclipse version 10. And as with previous versions, you do need to be on exactly the same version as the reporter when you are acting as a scopist for team editing. I'll open up Eclipse and I'm going to choose my scopist user. And in order to join the session as a scopist, all I need to do is go to Tools, Connection Magic, Edit Shared Document, and I can open up the room that the session is in, which in this case is room 5. I see my file. I can select it, press OK, and enter my password. And you see that the document synchronizes and begins collecting the text that the reporter is writing. And as the reporter's cursor moves through the document, you see that the reporter's cursor also moves through the Scopist document. From the Scopist perspective, all that's required to join a session is to go to Tools, Connection Magic, Edit Shared Document, and join the appropriate session. Again, Scopist should make sure that they do have an SRV connection either in their universal indicator, in their status bar, or their info bar, or any of the above. And Scopist must be on the same version as reporters. Next, I'm going to transition back to the reporter view. Back on the reporter computer, I'm going to end my translation. And just to follow up, in order to output to Bridge Mobile Viewer for your Bridge Mobile Viewer clients, like judges and attorneys, you do need to have a real-time output format for Bridge Mobile Server. And you can add that by selecting the COM device of Connection Magic and the output format of Bridge Mobile. And in order to share your file with your scopist, just make sure that Share Document with Team is checked. Not only is it possible to do both of these things together, it is recommended. Since Bridge Mobile can refresh and show your Bridge Mobile Viewer clients edits that have been made to your document, not only will you have a cleaner document at the end of the day when you use a scoping team, but your Bridge Mobile Viewer clients will have an even better experience during the proceedings because of the benefit of those same edits. Performing these actions over the internet truly is as simple as starting real time, selecting your starting stroke, and setting up the session settings for both sessions. First, the Bridge Mobile session, which we're going to do over just internet. And next, the team editing session, which again is going to go over just internet. Simply put in your document name and password and press OK. And both sessions begin and are available for my Bridge Mobile clients and my scoping team. Thank you so much for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.